Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome, and if this isn't your first time stopping by, you're also welcome. Thank you so much for coming back again. I appreciate you. This is my second video after officially coming back to rejudge my YouTube channel to make sure I'm being consistent and whatever and whatnot. But I'm going to be going back to basics in this video, just touching back on my roots and why I started this YouTube channel in the first place, which is to share my love of makeup with you guys and just give you guys some tips and stuff. Today I'm going to be recreating a look by another YouTuber here on YouTube. I'm going to be recreating a look by another YouTuber, and her name is DIMMA'S. Now, DIMMA'S is if you don't follow her, you really should go. I'm going to put her channel down in the description link below. You should really go follow her. The way she describes things, the way she talks about how she uses things, why she uses them. Her descriptions are just very, very easy to understand. So you should follow her for that reason, and also because she's just an all-around amazing person. I really like her. I just like the way she does her things, the way she carries herself, the way she speaks. Oh God, I love it. So I'm going to be recreating a look by her today, and it's this look that she did about a year ago. It's a very easy, simple, everyday type of makeup. You can wear this to school, you can wear this to work, you can wear this if you're trying to just do some errands, or you're trying to go visit some friends or something like that. It's just everyday easy type of makeup look. It's a pinkish purple eye look, which I really like pinks. I really like purples especially. So yeah, I think those type of looks are the best type of looks, I guess, to share with you guys here, because it's something that's very easy to do. I can do it, you can do it, and if you have a whole day planned, once you do that look in the morning, it can last you throughout your day, where it's not going to look too over the top for one event or too understated. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I've come in a lot closer so that you guys can see everything that I'm doing. My face, hopefully it's centered. First, I'm going to be starting with primer. Not a lot has changed about how I do my makeup, because to be honest, I haven't really done a lot of makeup in the past couple months that I've been gone, and that's just because to be honest, I couldn't really care most days. It was just I'm trying to just get out of the house, do what I need to do, come back and crawl under my blanket. But that has passed. This is new times, so we're trying to do things that make us happy. I don't know what I'm saying to us. I'm trying to do things that make me happy, and doing my makeup is one of those things, which is why I'm doing it today. So my makeup hasn't really changed. That's just to say all that. And the primer that I use is still my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So this is the primer. This is a really, really good primer for all types of skin, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that all over my face. So next, I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Aurora. So next, I'm going to be going in with my foundation. I'll be using my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So this is my holy grail foundation, guys. If you have any problem with your foundation not staying on throughout the day, your foundation settling into your smile lines, or basically your foundation melting or transferring, I would really, really recommend this foundation. This is my second bottle now. The one I had before, that bottle lasted me for over a year, so it's a very good foundation. You don't really need to use a lot of it. I use about 1 pump of this, and that's enough for my entire face. So you guys should really try this foundation out. It's good. I'm taking my NYX professional makeup brush. This is just a kabuki brush that I'm going to use to blend my foundation out. Do you guys see how that is blending out really nicely? It's blending right into my skin tone, and it's giving me the maximum coverage everything. Okay, so foundation is all blended out. I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. So I'm going to apply that to all the high points of my face. I'm going to let the concealer dry, and I'm going to go in with Deep Walnut for my contour. Get this face snatched up. So taking this brush to blend all of that out. Foundation, highlight, and contour are all blended out. So I'm going to take my Nuban Beauty in My Skin liquid concealer to act as an eyeshadow base for my eyeshadow. Because that's what base means. Okay, cool. This is the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to be using that to set my concealer and basically everywhere that I've applied the concealer. And then I'm going to take another powder, a darker powder, and I'm going to use that to set the contour. So I'm taking some of my Laura Mercier powder, which I'm almost out of, and I'm just using that to set everywhere that's just like foundation, where I didn't put highlighter or contour. So I'm watching DIMMA'S video to see how I'm going to approach recreating this look. Right now, the first color she's taken is like a red, brownish color. So I'm going to be taking this shade called Revenge from my ShaylaxColourpop palette, and I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. I'm using this fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply the shade. I'm taking this flat shader brush. This is from Morphe. This is the M167 brush, and I'm going to use it to pack this shade from my Juvia's Place Saharan palette. It's called Aurora. This shade right here, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lid. Not all over the lid, just like half of my lid, but towards the inner corner of my eye. First, I'm going to wet the brush. So now I'm going to go into my JackieAina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to take this purple shade called Shooken Tin, this one right here, and I'm going to use that on my lid, but on the other half. And what I'm doing is, as I'm applying the purple shade, I'm kind of marrying the pink and the purple together. Now I'm going to go back into that pink shade, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend the middle of the pink and the purple together. I'm using the shade right here from the JackieAina palette. This is in the shade Soleil, and I'm going to be applying that to my inner corner. I'm going to take a combination of this color Culture right here and this color Unbothered, and I'm going to use that to set my brow bone. So now I'm taking that brown shade again, and I'm using it to buff out my lash. What's it called again? Dang, I don't remember what that place is called again. Like under there? Under my lower lash. So I'm taking this ColourPop brow gel, and I'm just going to use that to like line my waterline. I don't want to use black. I just want to go with brown this time. Okay, so now that's it for my eyeshadow, and I think I poked my eye by accident. Be careful guys when you're doing this. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop my lashes on, and I'll be right back. So I've applied my lashes, and I've also gone ahead and used mascara. I'm going to go ahead and use some blush and highlighter now, and then I'll finish up with my lips. I'm taking these two shades from my Juvia's Place blush palette. Actually, I'm just going to use this shade. And then I'm taking my Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Wakish. This is by Yanga Beauty. It is a Nigerian makeup brand. This is like the only product that I have that she also used in that video, so I'm glad that I had at least one thing. I'm lining my lips with my BFF4 lip liner. Now I'm going in with this L.A. Color High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss in the shade it doesn't have a name. So now that I'm done, I have my lip gloss on, I have my lashes on, everything. I'm going to take a little bit of powder and I'm going to use that just to like blend everything together one last time. So, powder. Just to remove any other excess shine that might have built up while I was doing the rest of my makeup, because I did do my foundation first. Okay. All right. I'm liking this look. Ooh. All right, one last whiff of setting spray for that. Yep. And I'm gonna pop on some earrings, so I'm trying to look pretty today, you know? No earrings, or I don't know, I don't like earrings. I like this. This is just like a bit much. So this is the final look, guys. I've done everything. This is like a super simple look that you can do in the morning before you go to school, before you go to work. And it's just something a little bit extra, something like that's a step up from your regular everyday, you know, matte type of makeup look. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me recreate the look. Yeah, you should check out DIMMA'S page, because like she's pretty awesome. Just from watching her video, I was able to recreate this look. It is absolutely adorable. I love it. I would wear this anytime, any day. I look forward to like bringing you guys more type of like makeup videos. I'm going to be like brainstorming, because I know it can get pretty boring and tiring watching the same thing over and over again from like all YouTubers. But look, we're trying, okay? We're just trying to share what we love with you guys. And it's okay if, you know, this look is not what you want to do, or this look is not your type of look. There are a lot of other YouTubers out there who probably, you know, do the type of makeup that you like to do. So you should watch them. You should watch people and support them. But thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you continue to watch more videos. Okay, help me grow, guys. I would really appreciate it. Make sure, if you're not subscribed, to hit the subscribe link down below. And yeah, share my channel with your mothers, with your sisters, with your cousins, with your friends, whoever, you know, if the person is interested in makeup and lifestyle. Just share my video with them, and I'm going to be bringing you some more of that. So with that said, I hope you guys check out my next video, and if you haven't, check out my last video as well. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.